everyone, you're welcome once again to my channel. This is Orejesu. This is another episode of how to make surface pattern designs using Microsoft Paint. So let's begin. The first thing we're going to do is to make a canvas 500 pixel by 500 pixel. Then we click on view, we click on the rulers. Then the next thing we're going to do, we're going to click on the curve shape and move to the canvas. Horizontally it will be 100 by 300. Then you move down and click on this. At this point you move down and click, then you move up and click. The next thing we're going to do is Ctrl A, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. We click on the transparent selection and we rotate right 90. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to Ctrl V and we're going to click on left 90. We're also going to Ctrl V and we're going to click rotate 180. Then the next thing we're going to do, we're going to start filling the shapes. We go to edit colors and choose color. And we're going to click. Then the next thing we're going to do, we're going to open another page in Paint. We're going to make it 3000 pixel horizontal and 500 pixel vertical. So we'll go to the previous page. We're going to Ctrl A, Ctrl C, and Ctrl V. We Ctrl V again. We keep on repeating the process by pressing Ctrl V until the design fill the canvas. We make sure that the white background is not showing as we are moving the design. Then next we're going to Ctrl A, Ctrl C. Increase it by 1000 pixel and we're going to Ctrl V. Normally what I usually do is that I rotate it 180 degree, but I am okay with this design. But let's see how it looks like when we rotate it 180 degree. It's still the same thing. Let me Ctrl Z and Ctrl V again. It's still the same design. Then next we will Ctrl A, Ctrl C, and Ctrl V. Then Ctrl V again. The next thing we're going to do is to open another page of Paint, and so that we can check and start another design. So we'll Ctrl copy and Ctrl V. So we're going to flip horizontally. We Ctrl V. Ctrl V. Then Ctrl A, Ctrl C. Ctrl V. Then Ctrl A, Ctrl C. Ctrl V. So I'm going to stop here. You can see that these designs, even though they were made from one design, you can get several designs from one design. Look at the first one that we did and look at the second one. They are basically different designs. So thanks for watching. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that when I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Bye bye.